What's going on, guys? So we're out here at Tim's Custom Exhaust. We're gonna see what we get done to my brother's car.
What's going on, everybody? We just got here at the shop. We're gonna get the mid mufflers replaced for Vibrant 1794s in the middle. It's gonna sound kind of like my brother's, a little bit less quiet. I wanted to be a little bit more different, so that's why I didn't just go with the regular mid muffler. But later on, I'll probably make it louder. It's just for now, so let's go see what's up.
I would say, if anything, if you get rid of those two mids and you put just pipe in there,
Yeah.
this thing's gonna be loud, you know?
Right.
It's gonna
Yeah.
sound
My brother
phenomenal.
has.
If you do those, if you put MagnaFlow mufflers where those go,
Yeah.
sounds really good too.
Yeah.
Vibrants will sound good there too. It's really
Yeah.
personal choice.
Yeah, I really like the Vibrants.
You have two Vibrants?
I only have two. Yeah, I want to do four.
You want to do four?
Yeah, but I don't have them, so I'll just stick with two.
So do you want to do? You want to take those two mids out, the Vibrants where those two go, or do you want that
Well,
taken out and then?
Depending on how like your pricing works,
Yeah.
like, you know. So I mean, I came just for the mids to be
Yep.
replaced for the resonator, right?
Yep.
But I don't know how your pricing works. If anything, I kind of want to do straight, like in the middle,
Yep.
and then replace these resonators for Vibrants. But I don't know what your pricing looks like. So
Most bang for your buck, I'd say take out those mids and throw the Vibrants in where they are.
okay.
Because it's going to be another like $250 essentially.
Yeah, that
Labor plus
right.
the pipe and everything.
Yeah.
I think you're going to be real happy with those two Vibrants where those mids are. You're going to be happy with that. Sound,
Yeah.
It'll sound phenomenal.
I've heard. Yeah.
Then you can always, when you get to the next two Vibrants, you can always do it again later down the road if you think you want more. But I think it's going to sound phenomenal.
Yeah.
Most bang for your buck. The difference that you're going to have is it's going to be quiet. It's going to be quieter. It's going to be a different note, you know?
Yeah.
Not as growly. For me, if you get rid of those and put those Vibrants, it's going to have a nice growl to it. It's going to sound like that.
Right.
Where it's not crazy,
Yeah.
but like tame, but when you get on it, it'll scream.
Right, yeah.
That's what I would do. I'd start there. You can always do more.
Yeah. Well, that's the thing is like if you're like, because you said it's gonna be like around 250.
Yeah.
Then like I'd rather just wait for later.
Get the
on.
Vibrants and do it right. Do it the way you want to do it,
Yeah.
because it's your money and your time, you know, and I know time's important, you know, and you can't buy time, right? But I think if you're gonna like settle, don't settle, you know. Put those Vibrants in where those mids are, and then rip that for a little bit, see how you like it, and then we'll move forward. whatever else. You
Right,
want.
if you like, make
Yeah,
a powder.
that's what I would do.
So, I guess, yeah, I'll stick with that then.
So, we thought we were gonna get the work done right now. We gotta wait an hour.
And whose fault is that?
Honestly, that's kind of your fault.
Dude.
No, think about it, because we were supposed to leave at 9:15. Yesterday, decidió take his time and stuff.
Why did you call ahead, bro?
Nah, I told you. I told him, I was like, hey, at 10. Didn't I say 10? I think he was, yes.
Oh, hold up. You think he got the job?
Oh, snap.
Did he get the job?
Did he get? No, I don't think that's the job. No, that might be
I
the
don't know.
CEO.
Being chewed out right now. Anyways, we're here at Thick Filet. We're gonna get some breakfast because we haven't ate anything and it's already 11.
You know, we could have ate, but he took too long, and we probably would have been done with it. But
Yeah, it's your fault at the end of the day. But anyways, we're gonna go get some Thick Filet, guys. This guy, he doesn't know if he lost his card. Dude, how are you gonna pay for your exhaust work? But anyways, we came to Chick-fil-A and somebody, I guess the person who paid last gave $10 to pay forward, so we just kept it going. So that's why I threw in that little clip. Guys, if somebody does something good for you, do the same. Doesn't matter who it's for. Just do it. Keep it going. Don't break the chain. The card's not at your house. He's worried, guys, because he just lost his debit cards. Just one or two?
it's just one.
Oh. Well,
Here's the thing. I'm never gonna do this. I don't know if you do this, but the whole COVID stuff. I always leave my card. Like, I leave it in my wallet, but I leave it I leave it loose. So I can just whip it out and put it back in and stuff, and I disinfect it, like, here and there and stuff. But I don't know. It's a stupid thing. Everything gets dirty anyway. The wallet floats dirty.
yeah, I stopped doing that after like stuff started getting
I'm
better.
over it, and
So you don't know if you left it at home or?
no, it might be in the gym bag.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Is Brenda checking?
Yeah, I told her to check the gym bag because I don't know what it is, but
He's calling to see if he left his card at the shop. But anyways, spicy deluxe, strawberry and chocolate milkshake, and some fries. All right, guys, we're out here at Tim's Exhaust. Finally got the scat up on the lift. Here's the lights that we put on.
You gotta fix those.
Yeah, it's fine though.
Yeah, we definitely gotta fix
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, because like these, they don't really do much. These mufflers,
Yeah.
they don't really do much other than like filter a little sound,
Right, that's what I was telling my brother. I was like, I don't
Yeah, they're pointless. Like
I've
if you
seen
get
the
rid of
video,
them, they don't really do anything.
people are like,
If you get rid of these, you can make it loud. Like nah.
It's not gonna do much.
No, it just kind of
Yeah.
changes the tone, These are engineered to have a certain note to them,
Yeah.
when they come out of the factory line. So they're engineered this way. And but you can't mess one up, you know what I mean? It's
Right.
hard to mess a car that badass.
So later on, if I wanted to like switch these out,
Yeah.
for like the same ones in the front,
Yeah.
I have because I installed them.
Yeah.
Brother, these cables are right on top. Like put a zip tie.
Yeah.
Which is fun. I guess I don't know.
I would almost get like some loom. If I were you, I'd get some like heat shrink loom, and I would heat shrink those.
Okay.
When we have it down, I mean, I guess we could do it for you. It's not too hard,
Yeah.
but to believe it or not, like this doesn't get that hot. This rear,
Yeah.
most of the heat is up front. By the time it gets here, it's pretty dissipated.
Yeah.
It's not crazy hot. So you want those two vibrants put right here?
Yeah.
Okay, I got you.
Just replace those.
I got you. I'll get them going on it.
Okay.
So we're gonna be replacing these two for the vibrants. If you guys don't know what your Scatpack looks like under, this is what it looks like. done, bro. Done. But for real, guys, if you guys want some exhaust work done, come here. Tim's Custom Exhaust. The best in Minnesota, I have to say, because that's professional, clean. That's how the job should be done. Check that out. It looks like the car came stock like that almost, so and that's how it should look. So Tim's Exhaust in Coon Rapids. So he's here with our buddy. What's his name, dude?
I don't know. Tim. Just kidding. I don't know. I don't know.
That's pretty cool though. Did they actually weld it? Yeah, they did. Yeah, they did. It's kind of funny.
It gives you an idea how your car is gonna be.
It's clean. Even that looks clean, man.
Honestly, yeah.
It's pretty dope.
Oh, it's got their logo on here too. It's custom exhaust.
Oh, does it? Oh,
Which
yeah,
is
it
faded,
does.
though.
It's cool. It's pretty dope.
It looks fat from back here.
Just, yeah, yeah. Got a BBL.
Just right.
Latino booty. It's time, bro.
Chihuahua, Mexico booty. Fire up, bro. You're good.
Yeah.